Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you some methods to fix the finals error, connection failed, and server connection timeout on PC. Method 1. Check the server status. To do this, visit the finals official Twitter page by click the link in description. After that, check if there are any messages about server problems or maintenance time. If everything is fine, then move on the next method. Method 2. Turn off third-party antivirus software. If you are using third-party antivirus software such as AVG, Norton, Avast, etc., then try disable or uninstall them. Because the antivirus software usually blocks third-party applications or games from running on your system. On the other hand, when you try to update your games or application, the antivirus may cause conflict. Antivirus software or firewall blocks the access of the application, so it is better to disable it. So, it is recommended to turn off your antivirus software to prevent any errors or bugs. Method 3. Verify integrity of game files. On Steam Library, right-click on the files, then select Properties. Go to Installed Files. Click on Verify integrity of game files. Once done, try relaunching the files and see if the connection failed error is resolved. Method 4. Disable IPv6 and change DNS. On the keyboard, press Windows key R, then type ncpa.cpl and hit Enter. Right-click on your internet connection and pick Properties. Scroll down and uncheck the box next to Internet Protocol version 6, TCP, IPv6, to disable it. Click OK. Relaunching the files and see if the connection failed error is resolved. If the error still appears, one more time, press Windows key R, then type ncpa.cpl and hit Enter. Right-click on your internet connection and pick Properties. Double-click on Internet Protocol version 4, TCP, IPv4. Select Use the following DNS server addresses option. Here, I will use Cloudflare DNS. And on Preferred DNS server, I will input 1.1.1.1. On Alternate DNS server, I will input 1.0.0.1. Additionally, you can also try with other DNS such as Google DNS, OpenDNS, etc. Now, tick on Validate Settings upon exit. Click OK. Once done, go to the files and see if the connection failed error is fixed. Method 5. Flush DNS. Press Windows key, then type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and pick Run as administrator. Now, type ipconfig flush DNS and press Enter. Type ipconfig register DNS and press Enter. Type ipconfig release and press Enter. Type ipconfig renew and press Enter. Type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. Type netsh int IP reset and press Enter. At last, restart the computer, then see if the connection failed error is resolved. Method 6. Power cycle the router. Turn off the router, then unplug the router from the power outlet. Wait at least 3 minutes. After that, plug the router back into the power outlet, then it's time to power on the router. Wait for all panel lights on the router to become green on before testing your internet connection. Connect to the network with your PC and test the internet connection. It's always better to test this by connecting with an Ethernet cable if possible. That's it, guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.